Welcome to the Disneyland Hotel. As we'll show you in the next few minutes, there's an exciting world of things to do and see. So come on along for the tour. Just outside the hotel lobby, there's Seaports of the Pacific. Shop for the unique and the unusual in the International Waterfront Bazaar. Visit the Orient, Hawaii, the Pacific Northwest. Travel to Latin America, Mexico, and Old California. At the Rustic Wharf Bar, you can enjoy warm conversation, a cool drink, watch passers-by, and make a new friend. You'll never know who you'll meet. Or take your pick of the finest fresh seafood at the Shipyard Inn. Stroll around Seaports. You'll catch a colorful roundup of talent. You can even have your portrait done. There's something for the entire family. From the treacherous excitement of the new mini off-road raceway to chilling chases around the marina, or the challenge of electronic wizardry in the arcade, to song and dance of local talent. If you're feeling exuberant, how about a game of tennis? Play a match at our own racket club, Tennisland. If relaxation is your heart's desire, you'll find the perfect peaceful hideaway at our White Sand Papeete Beach. If water's your fancy, you'll find plenty of ways to enjoy it. Visit the koi fish pools. They're delightful. Take a dip in one of our sparkling pools, or a splashing paddle boat ride around the marina. Walk under the thundering Horseshoe Falls. Later, retreat to the coolness of the California wine cellar and meet with friends for casual conversation and a refreshing sip of California wine. Have a bite to eat at our sunny sidewalk cafe, Maisie's Pantry. And shop to your heart's content in the nearby shopping mall. Clothing, accessories, gifts, and souvenirs. They're all in our convenient complex. And stock up on film and get it developed at our 1-hour photo. For dinner, you have a tantalizing variety of restaurants to choose from. Dine in the elegance of the Oak Room, where veal dishes and creative desserts are a specialty. Or enjoy the buffet in the Mediterranean Chef's Kitchen, or a delightful Sunday brunch. For a taste of early California with a Mexican flair, it's El Vaquero. And of course, there's the coffee shop that's open to the wee hours. You'll find exciting evening entertainment here at the Disneyland Hotel. The glass elevator to the top of the park lounge takes you to a spectacular view of Disneyland's fireworks that happen at special times throughout the year. At Seaports of the Pacific, you'll discover the whirl of Western fun at the Wharf Bar. Kick up your heels to live country and Western music. Or join in the wild antics of Sergeant Preston's Yukon Saloon. It's a bawdy barroom adventure recreating the Klondike Gold Rush days. Meet Klondike Kate, Sergeant Preston, and the rest of the zany characters. The quiet enchantment of the Mandarin Bar is the perfect setting for meeting friends or business associates. And what better way to wind up a wonderful day than with an experience you'll always remember? Our famous Dancing Waters show will dazzle your eyes and ears with lights, music, and fountains. Yes, the Disneyland Hotel has an array of adventures just waiting for you to become a part of. And if there's anything you need, from hairstyling to a limousine, just ask. Dial Guest Line from any phone for information. Check your guest directory or visit our guest services desk in the lobby. You'll find that the Disneyland Hotel offers many convenient services. Our travel port is a complete travel center with a competent and courteous staff to help you arrange sightseeing tours and airline tickets. Also, you can get advance tickets to Disneyland here. No standing in long lines. And Disneyland is just a monorail ride away. From around the world to faraway seaports, to the simple joys of good old family fun. From gentle relaxation to stirring entertainment. It's all here at the Disneyland Hotel. So enjoy